The DFY call center. Never pick up the phone. Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 direct commissions over and over. The whole goal of the high ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work, selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have questions, please call support and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? And then I can see questions. Call 1-800-771-0769. You listen to a 3-minute short presentation over the phone. You leave your name, your number, and somebody will call you back, and they'll do all the hard work for you. Leverage our 100% free call center so you can start earning big. Let your sponsor relax. 100% automated commissions. 100%. Now, I didn't say 25% or 5% or 10%. You get the whole pie with this system, okay? And I will show you some results so you know this isn't you stay to the end and know that we're going to help you out and we're going to look out for you, okay? So I'm going to look up the High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026 for Brutal Profit Seekers, my most recent series of videos. And look, number one with one view 1 week ago, only one view, and it's already ranking number one, okay? And also I have my blog, okay? And the blog is an old school article, okay, that still works like gangbusters, and that's part of what we teach you, blogging, elite blogging, okay, not ranking in months or years or never, okay, ranking in days or weeks or even hours, okay, and getting more and more traffic to your link, okay, and then we do all the hard work for you. Remember I told you there's a 1-800 number where they what you call 1-800-771, or your people do, okay? You can not talk to somebody and you can get $500, $50, $1,500, $3,500, or even $5,000, okay? And you can even start from $50. What? And make up to $5,000, okay, if you get a sale. Again, you stay to the end. I'll give you all the results and information, okay? Is that a deal, okay? So, what am I doing here and how are we getting elite results? Well, I'm blogging, okay, and we teach this in the $50 level, and also we give you up to 10 free, not 10 free, 10 leads a day of people that already say they'll spend at least $100 on, want to learn how to make money online, and we'll spend at least $100 to do that for you. And again, the lowest level is $50, right? So they'll spend at least $100. That puts you in profit, okay? And also possibly gets you residual commissions as well. So this is the High Ticket Lifestyle Bonuses 7 Elite Wealth Payouts, okay? When every single sale returns the full monetary value directly to your account, the economics of customer acquisition change completely. Now, notice I said full monetary value, 100% of the pie, okay? You don't want a piece, you don't want a slice, you don't want any crumbs, you want the whole thing, right? 50, 500, 1,500, 3,500, or even $5,000, okay? You want the whole piece of that, right? Multiple times, right? We need to eat, right? And when somebody, you do all the hard work and somebody gets all the money or most of the money, the lion's share of the money, that's no fun, right? How would you like to make life-changing income and do whatever you want to do, whether you retire your 9 to 5, whether it's take that one trip you've always wanted around the world, or put your kids through college, this is the program to do it. Instead of needing dozens of low-ticket volume sales to break even, a single high-ticket conversion covers weeks of advertising spend and living expenses. This massive compression of the conversion timeline allows sovereign operators to scale aggressively while competitors drown in overhead. Now, I'm going to bring up my calculator. Give me a second right here, and I'm going to show you something. $3,500, okay? You could do as much work or less for $3,500 as, watch this. Okay, load. There we go. 3,500 divided by, we'll go 3,500 divided by 20 bucks. And 20 bucks is actually generous. A lot of these programs do not pay 20 bucks, but we'll go divide by 20. That's 175 sales to make $3,500. Not conversations, 175 sales of $20. And if you don't make $20, it's even more, okay? Or you could not even talk to anybody and make $500, $50, $1,500, $3,500, or even $5,000, okay? That's powerful, okay? Crush the 9 to 5, earn $50 to $5,000 per sale. Okay, it's possible to be 50. The high ticket lifestyle team bonuses, automated traffic filtering via the sovereign siphon. Okay, the third elite trigger unlocked within the high ticket lifestyle team bonuses involves automated filtering through a centralized gateway and the sovereign siphon. Stop wasting energy. This is what I was telling you before. Okay, they call this number, okay, 1-800-771-0769. You can ask questions there. Okay, you tell them JJ Solley sent you if you're watching this video, and then leave your name, your number, and somebody will call you back. And you can ask any of your questions, and so can your people. Okay. Okay. Stop wasting your energy trying to convince unqualified leads who cannot afford your time or ain't willing to listen to a 3-minute message. Every visitor routes through one primary central gateway, ensuring tracking and sizzle line filtering. 1-800-771-0769. Fire automatically. The system pre-qualifies traffic, so you only engage with high-intent buyers ready for serious execution. Okay, and you don't have to answer these questions. Okay, you don't have to spend your time, your hard-earned time, or not know what to say to these people, right? Or not be able to answer a question. Furthermore, adherence to the strict do not teach, do not close mandate preserves true duplication. You never run private sales call or answer custom technical questions. You point everyone back to the 1-800-9 and call center, shifting the burden of proof onto institutional assets and protecting yourself from burnout. Okay? And I'll show you another thing that's really, really cool, right? Simple roll-up examples. If you join the $50 apprentice level and get a $500 bronze sale, and this goes the same way for $5,000, you will make your $50, and the difference of $450 goes to the admin. Not me, the admin. Then we qualify you at the bronze level, so you never, next bronze level, so you never miss out on another $450 commission again. So you get the next 500. You didn't weren't qualified for bronze. You were qualified for, let's say you qualified for 50, okay? The apprentice level. And you get a $500 sale. You get 50, and the $450 goes to the admin, okay? And then you're qualified for 500. Let's say your next sale is 5,000, okay? You're qualified at everything, okay? You make 5,000, 3,500, 1,500, 500, or even 50, okay? And you only made 2 sales. Okay, because the admin gets a roll-up, we can count the money towards your upgrades and get you all in very easily, so you're making all the money as soon as possible. Okay, does that make sense? And that works for all the levels. Now, let's say you don't want to miss 500, 1,500, 3,500. Let's say you get a $5,000 sale, and you want to make the lion's share of that money, right? So this is what you do right here. Okay, get in where you fit in here. Get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn 100% to 233% commissions. You heard me right, 233%. Yes, when you decide to take action before the timer, this huge thing right here, runs out, you will be rewarded with the next level of qualification. Join at the $50 level, get no upgrade. Join at the $500 level, get no upgrade. Join at the $1,500 level, get qualified at the $3,500 level. That is a $2,000 bonus per transaction, okay? Up to $2,000 per transaction. That's a 233% commission. You paid $1,500. You take action because you're an action taker, right? Within this window right here, this big yellow button that you can't possibly miss, okay? And then instead of $1,500 commissions, $550, you can make $50, $500, $1,500, or even $3,500. Okay, $2,000 bonus. Join the $3,500 level, get qualified at the $5,000 level. Join the $5,000 level, get 500 premium solo ad clicks to kickstart your business, plus epic $100,000 bonus, which is listed right here. Okay. Now, the high ticket lifestyle T-bonus extracting initial capital using the risk eraser protocol. The fourth elite trigger activated through the high ticket lifestyle team bonuses centers on the risk eraser protocol. Fear loss paralyzes most online entrepreneurs before they ever gain traction. By extracting your initial capital, lay out immediately upon your first major strike, your risk drops to the absolute zero. Now, what's that talking about is, let's say you pay $500. and you get a $500, okay, let's say $1,500, and you get a $3,500 sale, right? But you took action, okay? Now at $3,500, you paid $1,500. Pay that, put that in the bank. Put that in the bank, and you just pocketed about $2,000 minus the admin fee, right? And now you're playing with house money if you've ever been to a casino. That's what that means, okay? By extracting your initial capital layout immediately upon your first major strike, your risk drops to absolute zero. Everything remaining functions as pure house money used to scale your traffic and secure your digital assets. Risk management separates amateur gamblers from professional digital asset operators. When your initial layout is pulled back into your personal reserves on the very first conversion, the psychological weight of the business vanishes. You are no longer risking rent money or grocery funds. You are playing aggressive game with house money, removing hesitation and forcing massive high conviction payout execution. Now remember, I told you for $50, okay, right here, should go. What happens when someone joins at a higher level than you? Great question. This is typically called a roll-up or pass-up. All commissions that an affiliate is not qualified for will roll up to the admin, not the next sponsor. Why and how does this make you more money? Because any roll-up commissions will be counted towards your level qualification, allowing you to sell one product and be qualified for that sold product level. Join for the $50 level, then sell a $3,500 level, and the difference of $3,450 to admin will actually qualify you for the gold $3,500 level. So imagine you paid $50, so somebody was interested, they took action through your link or your number, called the number, said they were referred by, let's say you're Peter, okay? Peter Parker. And they say, Peter Parker referred me, okay? That means you get $50, okay? And now your $3,450 goes to the admin, and the next $3,500, $1,500, $500, or $50 commission goes straight to you, okay? Yeah, you heard me right. That's amazing, and that is life-changing and has never been heard of before, okay? I've been in this industry for a long time, okay? And I want to show you the YouTube results, okay? Because results matter, right? When I search this term, right? Number 1 video, me. Number 2 video, me. Okay, this is an ad, it doesn't count. This is an ad, it doesn't count, right? Number 3 video, me. And this could, when I say me, imagine you, okay? Me getting results, that's cool, right? But you want to get the results, right? We teach you elite stuff like this. We also teach you how to take your money and maybe instead of put it in the bank, you put it in a Coinbase account. We teach you how to trade and make 90% 90% win rate trades. So now you take your money from one of these sales and make more money with it over and over and again. Does that make sense? Okay, that's powerful. Okay, and here's another video by me. Okay, that's my upline, right? There's another video by me and another video. Okay, elite results. We teach you things that other people are scared to teach you. Okay, because they don't know you won't need them and their programs anymore. You won't need their BS. You won't need their promises of spillover. Okay, how many times you've heard, oh, we're going to give you spillover and you'll make this magic money? No, it never happens. And even let's say you're in Live Good and you make 50 cents. What is that going to do for you? Okay, or you could make 50, 500, 1,500, 3,500, or even $5,000, and even start for as little as $50, right? Where else are you going to get this? Okay, so this is the High Ticket Lifestyle Team Bonuses 7 Elite Wealth Payouts. This is JJ Solley, aka John Solley, aka your friendly neighborhood Solley man. Don't delay, get with Jada today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.